I'm here today with another shapewear try on haul. I'm so excited to be partnering with HONEYLOVE again today. I did a video with them a few months back. I think I was like 3 months postpartum. I'm now 9 months postpartum, and I wanted to share with you some of my favorite shapewear pieces that help me feel snatched and confident. But if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and decided to stay a while. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and let's jump right into the shapewear haul. So we're gonna do a shapewear haul today. I have some bras. I have a few like bodysuit pieces that I wanted to share with you guys. I do want to address something because I did a campaign with HONEYLOVE a few months back. I do read the comments on those sometimes, and one of the big comments was, why don't you show shapewear on a body that actually needs shapewear? It was interesting to me because I was like, I didn't know there was a specific body that needed shapewear. To me, shapewear is for everybody and any body. We all have things, no matter how skinny you are or how curvy you are, we all want to like shape and smooth and sculpt and lift different parts of our body. So it doesn't matter if you look like the traditional person that needs shapewear or doesn't need shapewear. I think that it's for anybody and every body. So I may not look like to you the typical person who needs shapewear, but there are things about my body that I'm self-conscious about, that I want to snatch and lift and smooth and just have it look a little bit more sculpted. I am a 35-year-old mom of 3 kids. I had 3 C-sections. I have breastfed all 3 babies, and my body is not looking like how it used to. I may not be like the traditional body type that needs shapewear. There are things that I'm self-conscious about that I want to feel a little bit more confident when I'm wearing those pieces, and so that's why I love shapewear. Shapewear is all about snatching, smoothing, lifting, and sculpting your body to look how you want it to look, and so that you can feel more confident in your everyday pieces, your event pieces, whatever it is. And some of these are my everyday pieces. Some of them I wear to sleep in because they're so comfortable. So I want to share them all with you today. The crossover bra, it's this beautiful blue, and this comes in 5 different colors. I love the like slight little lace detail right here. I think it's very flattering. It also helps with keeping all your girls in so you don't have any spillage. The one thing I love about HONEYLOVE bras is that I don't get quad boob. And if you know, you know. And I'm typically a 32 double D or a 34D. This is a size medium. I feel like it fits me really great. I do have it on the tightest of the little clasps here. The other cool thing about the crossover bra is you can detach these and make it a crisscross bra, depending on what style you like. I just have it traditionally in, you know, the regular straps. They do have removable cup pads. You can see here all the really pretty detail. They are wire free, which I love, and I love this little meshy detail. The white, and if you see that the white, it has kind of like a nude like underlay right here. So this is the white one. They're wire free, and they do have removable cup pads. I personally like the cup pads in them. They don't get wonky when you wash them or anything. And they do come with a garment bag so that you can wash these in the little garment bag. But these are new ones they just sent because obviously I've been wearing mine for a while. So I want a nice, cute, fresh ones for the video. But this one has these really pretty like nude mesh panels. So the blue also has the little mesh panel. It's very, very breathable. So this one is also in a size medium. So that's the white. Then it also comes in the beautiful black. And as you can see here, it has the little clasps so you can make them crisscross if you want. And then this beautiful purple. I'm a size medium, sometimes maybe a small, but typically a medium, and they range from extra small to 3X. So they have a great size selection as well. Like, look how beautiful that is. So this is a wonderful bra. It looks great under t-shirts. The thing I like is that it has like a little bit of that lacy, like meshy detail, which is really cute. It like dresses up the bra a little bit, but it doesn't add like weird bulk or weird texture. So if you're wearing just like a plain t-shirt over top, you're not getting that weird bubbly texture that some like lacy bras can have. You just get like a little bit of something special. So it's a little bit more fancier than your typical you know, standard bra, but it's not adding any weird texture or bulk. It also looks very slimming. It doesn't cut into any like armpit fat you might have or back fat. It just kind of smooths everything out, and it's unbelievably comfortable. Like, it's a bra that you're not at the end of the day like, whew, take it off. You like to keep it on. They're super comfortable. I sleep in these. I do. I sleep in these. They're that comfortable. So I put on a size small just to show you the difference in comparison on the fit. I'm obviously wearing this in the kind of eggplant purple color, and I have this one on the loosest setting, where the medium I have it on the tightest setting. And you can see it's a little bit more bustier. I have a little bit more push up, but I'm not getting spillage. So you can see there, like, this really pretty mesh just kind of keeps everything in and laying flat, so that if I were to put on a t-shirt, I'm not going to be having any spillage. So for me personally, for my size, I prefer the fit of the medium, just because I can have it on the tightest setting. I feel like I have a little bit more room for the girls. If I was looking for more of a push-up situation where I wanted them to be a little bit more bustier, then I could size down. But for me personally, I think the medium is what fits me best. But I just wanted to share with you. But even though this one's tighter, I still don't have spillage over the back straps. I don't have spillage over here. It's still nice and smoothing. This one is the silhouette bra, which is one of my favorites. It has no underwire, just like the other ones. This is in a size small, so I will show you it also in a size medium, but I wanted to share both of those with you because they do give a little bit of a different look. Sizing down did give me more of a bustier push-up. The difference between this one and the crossover is the crossover obviously has that beautiful like meshy detail. This one doesn't. This one also has the thin straps. These ones are a bit thicker. Again, no underwire. You can remove the cut pads, and this one also does crisscross. So I wanted to share with you what it looks like when you do the crisscross with it. It's going to be the same with this one, just this has smaller straps. So this is a size small. Again, I think I prefer the medium on me personally, just because it fits like a little bit more comfortable and a little less bustier. I feel like I'm already kind of busty, so I don't need to like add more, but I wanted to share with you guys what it looked like to wear the small. And you can see when I do the crisscross, the small is just a little bit too small for me for the crisscross because I do get a little bit of bulging here, but I'm going to show you in the medium how that goes away when you have the right size bra. So this one is comfortable. I would probably prefer, if I'm going to go with the small, to do regular straps. The exact same bra we just tried on, but in a size medium. As you can see here, it fits very comfortably. That's why it's important to figure out what size you are and what look you're going for. I personally don't want to be looking bustier or a push-up, which is why, another reason why I love HONEYLOVE, because there's not a push-up padding. I'm not looking for that. I'm just looking for something that is comfortable, supportive, and also smooths too. So I have this one just the regular way, and the medium fits most comfortable for me. So you can see it's not digging in here. It's still totally supporting my chest. I do feel like I still have a nice amount of like push up and, you know, lift without it being too much. It's also very comfortable on the straps. Even though they are thinner straps, it's incredibly supportive, especially if you have a larger chest. Sometimes it's hard to do the thinner straps if you're bustier because there's just so much weight. And so when I was nursing, I was quite busty. I was, oh gosh, a 30, whatever's bigger than a 32, like quadruple D, I don't know. They were so big and they were very, very heavy. And I could easily wear these bras without it feeling like I didn't have enough support. So that's what I really loved about HONEYLOVE, is that through my whole postpartum journey, especially nursing, these were very supportive and very comfortable. Back to my normal, and I'm still wearing them. They're still very comfortable. They're my go-to bra. I've basically thrown out every other bra that I own, and these are the only ones that I wear. So I love it. I love the thin straps. I love that you could do crisscross if you want. Very comfortable, and it looks great under a t-shirt. If you are a t-shirt gal like me, you know that there's a lot of bras that have weird texture and stuff on them that shows through like a thinner plain t-shirt, and this doesn't. So it does have this really beautiful detail right here. You can see. And again, these come in extra small to 3X. So they have a great size range. This one also comes in multiple colors, the nude, the black. I have this color. I think those are the only three that I have in the silhouette, is nude, white, and black. So this one is in a size medium, and it's the silhouette bra. Okay, if you are a like sports bra and underwear kind of girl when you sleep, you need this bra. It is unbelievably comfortable. It is my go-to bra that I sleep in. I have it in a few different colors. Nude and black is what I have right now, but nude, black, and white, I think. And I love it. It has the wide straps. Again, there's no underwire. It has removable padding. It's unbelievably soft and smoothing. I also wear this under just like regular shirts as well, but I love to sleep in this, you guys. It's so comfortable. I am a size medium in this as well. That's what I prefer in all of the tops, is a medium. But you guys, their underwear, so nice. Okay, these are called just their underwear. Everyday beautiful underwear. I wear a size small. This is what they look like. They're high-waisted. They cover your tush. I have to sleep in, I call these butt wear. That's what I call them. That's what I've called them for years. At night, I always switch into a full booty covering underwear. It's just my favorite. So these are not only booty covering, they're high-waisted. They're so comfortable. I literally sleep in these all the time. So these ones are, and they're pretty. Like if you're gonna sleep in full butt underwear, these are pretty underwear. And I love that they're high-waisted. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So these are fresh new ones because I wasn't gonna show you the ones I've been wearing. They have this gorgeous like velvety feel on them, like this print. So there's nude. I have them in black. I'm a thong girl during the day, so I do not wear these under like my typical pants and leggings and stuff. But I do sleep in these and they're so comfortable. So here's the black and then the pink. And then I also have them in white. I'm so happy to have fresh new ones because I literally sleep in these all the time. So they are so, so comfortable. So if you like to sleep in underwear and a sports bra, this is your combo. Like this black with these high-waisted and you're like good to go. They're unbelievably comfortable. So I'm a size small in these. I'm typically like a size 2, if that is a good reference. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the magic of shapewear. Shapewear is for everybody and anybody, okay? It doesn't matter what size you are. If you are on the slimmer side or the more curvy side, it is for everybody. I'm gonna show you, okay? I have this beautiful dress. Let me zoom down. Okay, I have a beautiful dress and I feel like a tiny bit self-conscious about my stomach. Again, I've had 3 children, all 3 C-sections. I'm 35 years old. I'm not in my 20s anymore. I have hip dips. I'm a little bit lumpier right here for my liking. And I have like a little bit here. So I don't have an hourglass figure. I was not blessed with hips. I have hip dips, so mine go in. So I go in where y'all go out. So I'm gonna show you the before and then I'm gonna show you after. And look at the after. She's snatched. She's smooth. She's sucked in. She's lifted. Do you wanna know the secret? Let me show you. This is the secret. It is the mid-thigh bodysuit. So the nice thing is you have removable cup pads. Again, you don't have any wires. You're not having a head there. You have no wires, underwire, which is great. You have a little bit thicker of a strap, but if you have it in nude, it kind of like can blend in with your skin tone a little bit better. It also comes in black too, so if you have a black dress. I love how smoothing all of this is here. You have some boning right in here, but it's not uncomfortable like this. I could go work out in it, okay? It's not uncomfortable, it's so comfortable. The best part is the thighs right here. It is like a mesh material. So it doesn't dig into your thighs, it doesn't cut into your thighs. You saw how it looks with a dress. Let me put on pants so you can see how it looks with jeans. And without the shapewear on, I can't quite get them buttoned. But with the shapewear on, looky here. they're buttoned and I have no spillage. I'm not spilling out. I'm smooth, I'm snatched. In my jeans, you don't see any line from the thigh highs, the thigh length. And I'm snatched. I could wear this as a camisole with a jacket over. I could come over here and grab a blazer. Boom. Shapewear. She's chic. Look at that. You can wear it as an actual shirt. And you're snatched, and your thighs are snatched, and your butt is popping. It's very cute. So, I have this in a size small. It's very versatile, you guys. You can do a lot with it. Wear it with a dress, wear it with jeans, wear it with slacks. It just, it's really probably very much a must-have if you like to wear more form-fitting stuff. I would not wear that orange dress without some sort of shapewear to suck and smooth me in. See? Like, isn't this so chic? Like, look how cute this outfit is. I just need some heels. Very cute. Another solution. Now say you're like, Cassie, I cannot wear that bodysuit because of the straps. Like, I can't have that. My dress can't have straps showing. Then we have this. I do have the bra on because this is goes up, high-waisted thigh shapewear. Look at, lifts your butt, smooths you in. Let me show you what it looks like with that dress. And I could obviously take this bra off and just do pasties if I wanted to do that. But look at how it smooths everything. It's smooth, it lifts and smooths my butt so there's no cellulite, there's no little rippling. Look how good it looks. And it's very comfortable. This one does have boning. I'll show you in a second. So this one has boning right here, boning all from here to here. I tend to have a shorter torso and it still works great on me. You do have this nice smoothing panel here, and then you have the mesh in the legs, which is great because it doesn't pinch into your legs. It doesn't make your legs have those weird lines, you know, from typical shapewear is a little too tight on the thighs, and so this does not cut in. It's very flexible. You can see there it's stretchy, and it's very, very thin, so it's not going to add bulk to your thighs if you're wearing a tighter dress or a tighter garment. So just wanted to share with you, just in case the bodysuit is not an option for you because maybe you need to go without a bra or your dress does not support having straps, you know, show. So there is a bodysuit that is slimming in the thighs, lifting in the butt, slimming in the waist. It makes me feel so comfortable, so confident. I feel very snatched and smooth, and it's really nice. So again, shapewear is for everybody. Anybody, everybody. It doesn't matter your size, you still can benefit from shapewear. I may not be the curviest girl ever, but I have a lot of stretched out skin on my stomach from 3 pregnancies, 3 C-sections. I have the little C-section shelf here where I have skin that hangs over. I'm self-conscious about that. I do have cellulite on my thighs. I have cellulite on my butt. And just because I'm not the curviest girl does not mean that I cannot benefit from shapewear. I want to be able to wear things that I feel confident and snatched and smooth and lifted. I don't want cellulite showing. I don't want extra skin showing. And this stuff makes me feel so confident, so comfortable. Again, like it has boning. I can move in it. How many of you can say that you have shapewear that is comfortable, that you can do jumping jacks in? It is so comfortable. Even with that boning, look, it's flexible. I can do side bends and sit-ups. I can do it all, even with the boning. It snatches, it lifts, it smooths. It's amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this try on haul. Let me know what pieces were your favorite. If you picked up any HONEYLOVE stuff, let me know in the comments what your favorite pieces were. Thank you again, HONEYLOVE, for partnering with me on this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.